Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you concerned about your online privacy and security while browsing on your Android device? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're discussing some of the best secure VPN apps that can help protect your data and enhance your browsing experience. With features designed for privacy, speed, and accessibility, these VPNs are essential tools for anyone looking to stay safe online. Let's dive in and discover how these apps can elevate your internet security. Secure VPN Pronto. Secure VPN Pronto is a reliable VPN application designed to enhance your online privacy and security while browsing on Android devices. This app offers a simple and user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to connect to secure servers with just a tap. It features high-speed connections, ensuring smooth streaming and browsing without any noticeable lag. Secure VPN Pronto utilizes strong encryption protocols to protect your data from potential threats, making it a great choice for users who wish to keep their online activities secure. Additionally, the app allows you to bypass geo-restrictions, enabling you to access content from various regions safely. Secure VPN Master. Secure VPN Master is another top choice for Android users seeking a secure and efficient VPN solution. This app provides a fast and stable connection, ensuring that your internet browsing remains uninterrupted. With multiple server locations to choose from, Secure VPN Master allows users to bypass regional restrictions and access global content easily. The app prioritizes user privacy by using advanced encryption techniques to protect personal information from hackers and monitoring services. Its intuitive design and one-click connection feature make it accessible for users of all experience levels. Ideal for safe browsing, streaming, and gaming, Secure VPN Master is a comprehensive VPN solution. Secure VPN Safer Internet. Secure VPN Safer Internet focuses on providing users with a secure and private browsing experience. This VPN app is designed to encrypt your internet connection, safeguarding your data from threats like hackers and unwanted surveillance on public Wi-Fi networks. The app features a wide array of servers located around the world, allowing users to choose the best connection for their needs while bypassing geo-blocks on various websites and services. Secure VPN Safer Internet also includes a no-log policy, meaning your online activities are not tracked or stored. With its user-friendly interface and robust security features, this app is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their online safety. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best secure VPN apps helps you find the ideal solution for your online security needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and app recommendations. Which VPN are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.